Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to transfer funds from Amazon Wallet straight to your GCash e-wallet. Now, there is no actual official way of doing this, but there is a third-party method which I discovered. And how you do it is basically you go onto Amazon and then from there you search for Amazon gift card. And it should pop up with the Amazon e-gift card, instant email or text delivery. Then you select it, you choose your amount, you can do a custom amount or like 25, 50, 75, etc. You can deliver it to yourself by email or text message. And then once you have the actual gift card, what you do with this is you try to sell it on Facebook Marketplace, eBay. There's actually groups that look for gift cards, so you're gonna have probably very good luck trying to sell there. And that's pretty much it. Once you sell it, you can just transfer your once you sell it, you can choose to use the payment method as GCash, and they will just transfer the funds to your GCash account. And that's pretty much it. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.